Welcome back. Today we are looking at the refrigeration and air conditioning technology, the most reliable Johnson Controls HVAC building available. When diving deep into the intricate, multi-billion-dollar world of commercial climate engineering and Johnson Controls HVAC building architectures, technicians and engineering students alike quickly realize that mastery requires more than casual field experience. Check the video description for the updated price link. It demands a rigorous, comprehensive foundational guide. Enter refrigeration and air conditioning technology, widely recognized across trade schools and engineering universities as the definitive Bible of the VACR industry. In this exhaustive, SEO-optimized review, we are going to tear down this monumental publication using an exploded view approach. Much like disassembling a complex centrifugal chiller or a sophisticated digital building automation controller down to every individual bolt, sensor, and wiring harness, we will dissect this textbook part by part, module by module, and chapter by chapter to see if it truly deserves a permanent home on your professional bookshelf. Whether you are setting up diagnostic protocols for a sprawling Johnson Controls building management system, troubleshooting a stubborn multi-stage scroll compressor, or preparing for your NATE North American Technician Excellence certification, understanding how this manual is structured internally is vital. Let's look under the hood and examine its anatomy piece by piece. To truly appreciate the engineering magnitude of refrigeration and air conditioning technology, we must look at its macrostructure. The book is organized into distinct logical modules that parallel the mechanical progression of thermodynamic systems, the thermodynamic foundation, covering heat transfer laws, pressure enthalpy diagrams, and basic gas laws. Electrical subsystems diving into motor controls, schematics, relays, and microprocessors. Refrigeration cycle mechanics examining evaporators, condensers, expansion devices, and compressors. Advanced HVAC applications focusing on commercial systems, hydronic heating, heat pumps, and Johnson Controls HVAC building integrations. Let's dissect the textbook as if we are tearing down a complex air handling unit. Each chapter represents a critical assembly required to keep modern temperature-regulated structures running smoothly. In any refrigeration circuit, the compressor is the beating heart, pumping high-pressure vapor through the system loops. The text dedicates extensive real estate to reciprocating, rotary, scroll, screw, and centrifugal compressors. Each compressor type is broken down by internal mechanical tolerances, valve plate assemblies, lubrication requirements, and electrical winding protections. Students learning how to diagnose a locked rotor or a burnout terminal find immediate practical value here. Furthermore, the integration of modern inverter-driven variable capacity compressors is explained with razor-sharp clarity, ensuring technicians are fully equipped for contemporary smart building retrofits. Moving downstream from the compressor, the textbook systematically dismantles the physics of heat rejection and absorption. It analyzes fin-in-tube coils, microchannel heat exchangers, and shell-in-tube water chillers. The authors provide deep-dive diagnostics on subcooling and superheating calculations, essential metrics for preventing liquid slugging in compressors. For professionals interfacing with high-efficiency Johnson Controls HVAC building architectures, mastering these heat exchange principles is non-negotiable for achieving peak coefficient of performance COP ratings. The metering device acts as the precision pressure drop regulator between the high side and low side of the system. The manual explores automatic expansion valves AV, thermostatic expansion valves TXV, electronic expansion valves EV, and capillary tubes. By examining the needle valve, diaphragm, sensing bulb, and external equalizer line exploded detail, the reader gains an intuitive grasp of how hunting, starving, and flooding conditions occur in real-world evaporator coils. Check the link in the description to get yours today.